And welcome to the second part of the video about the creation of Dragon Ball Online server. This time around I'm gonna teach you two cool things that you can do in your server. You obviously have to have your server online running. If you don't know how to do this, just check out my last video where I teach you how to make the server. So I've seen, for instance, that there are people that know how to edit items and how to go Super Saiyan in the Dragon Ball offline version. But the Dragon Ball Online offline version, it's kind of useless because it doesn't use any kind of database. So all the progress you do in the game is gonna be erased the next time you start the game. So it makes no sense. So I'm gonna teach you how to create items and how to go Super Saiyan and Kaioken or whatever you want in the server that we just created in the latest video, and all your progress and all the things that you do are obviously going to be saved in the database. So for instance, this is going to be the example. I'm here, I just created a player, and as you can see, early on the game I have this Goku costume. So if you're wondering how did I do it, it's not simple. um, I'm gonna leave you guys the codes of all the different items that there are available. Each code is obviously an item. So in the offline game, you just had to copy this crap. You just copy add mob whatever, and you just typed it in enter, and you just control V there, as you can see. And when you type enter, the item should respawn. But this is not the case. That only works in the offline version. So how to do it in this real server? So first I'm gonna teach you how to, as an example, I'm gonna show you how to spawn a cool item, which is gonna be the Android 16 set. So I'm gonna just look for it here in doggies. Here I got it, the Android 16. Right now I have this item equipped, which is the Goku costume, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it with the Android 16. So this is gonna be the item that we're gonna work on. So first, you're gonna identify. I just do it for you guys. You don't have to do it. Um, what the inventory code are, and I'm gonna teach you all the things that you're gonna know. So first, we're gonna open the Explorer. We're gonna go to localhost. We're gonna go to our Dragon Ball Online database, and we're gonna go to our character database. Here you will identify your character, the one that you want to edit. So in this case, I have the character named Kaka. The UID is 6 and the CID is 1. So it's very important. Just open Notepad and take a note of it. Here, as you can see, I just did it. So the character is gonna be the U6 and C1. So you can identify your character. Then you can obviously, we're gonna just log out from here. We're gonna log out and we're gonna exit just to get to the main menu. So once we are here, you can obviously change your character to an adult. You just double click in the 0 and just erase it and type in a 1, and now your character is gonna be automatically changed into an adult. The race, the class, you can change it. Also the gender, 1 is a girl and 0 is a male. Here you can edit obviously the money that you have, the position of your character in the world, obviously, and all that crap. But the most important thing about creating items is just identifying your character ID. So remember 1 and 6. So now we're gonna go to characters items, and here you will see 1 and 6 is the other way around. The U is 6 and the C is 1. So you're gonna, with this with these numbers, you will be able to identify your character. As you can see, all this crap, all these items are from the character Kaka that we just identified. So now all these are the items. All these are the items that our character currently has. So all this crap is the normal costume that the character has at the very beginning of the game, and this item is actually the Goku costume. So now that you know what these numbers mean, what are these numbers? These numbers refer to whatever the character has the item equipped, or the items are in the inventory box. So for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to place or how to spawn items in the inventory box. So let's say we want the Android 16. So we just remember this code. We're just gonna copy it. We're gonna go here. We're gonna just we're gonna make an insertion. So we're gonna go insert. We're gonna insert this item. So we're gonna remember which was the U value. The U value was 6. So you place 6. The C value was 1. So that's our character. The code of our item was this. This is gonna be the Android 16 item, costume or whatever. The place, this is very important. The place is gonna be in the inventory box. To place it in the inventory box, you just have to place. Place is 1. It means it's the inventory, and then the position is gonna be the position or the square that item is gonna place in that inventory box. So it's gonna be in order. You can place it from 0 to 1 to 2 or whatever value that you want. If you want the item to appear in the first block of the inventory box, you just place 0. Then next you want to type in the stack count 1 in the rank 1, duration 100 and grade 0. So 1, duration 100 and the grade 0. So we're gonna now type continue, and we're gonna type character items again, and you're gonna see that the item it's already there. So now we're gonna enter the game and see if it actually worked, and see if the character is now an adult. As you can see, our character, as far as we can go, for now it's an adult. Why does it have all these glitches? Because it actually has the previous costume also equipped. So we're gonna have to delete the green trousers and all the green costume, because they are like interfering between each other. So we're gonna just enter the server and see if the Android 16 item hopefully is in the inventory box. So now that we are here, we're gonna open the inventory, and as you can see, we are finally created the item. So that's pretty nice. So we're gonna open up the character things. We're gonna delete all these other costumes. We're gonna delete the Goku costume. I'm gonna equip the Android 16. So now we're gonna log out and see if the glitch persists or it has gone away. Well, it seems like it's a matter of the game, whatever. But as you can see, the method, it works perfectly well. You can, with this method, you can just create any item as long as you have the code here, which I'm gonna leave you in the description, guys. You have to select. I don't know if it works with mobs, but it definitely works with any kind of quest item or gloves or equipment, armor, boots, weapons, whatever. It definitely works as long as you have the number and as long as you identify your character and you place the correct positions of your items. So now you're here for the last thing in the video. I'm going to teach you how to turn Super Saiyan. It's super simple. So yeah, I know you have to collect the 7 Dragon Balls and then go to the Shenlong Shrine once you are 40 in level. But if you're going to go Super Saiyan from the very beginning, it's very fucking simple. You just want to, I'm just going to close all this. You just want to go to actually you just want to download a program which is called Mr. Popo which I'm almost sure everybody is quite familiar with it right now. You just go to, you want to place the Mr. Popo executable inside your client folder, inside the root folder. Once you are here, you're just gonna execute it while we are in game, as you can see. And now we're gonna go to the test property tab, and then we're gonna go to state change, no, set transform, and then we're gonna click in Super Saiyan. As you can see now in game, we are Super Saiyan. That's pretty amazing. If you want to change the state, you want to go first to none, and then we're just gonna type Kaioken, and we change to a Kaioken transformation. So that's pretty much it for today's. I think this was the other part of the video that I needed to make because the tutorial felt kind of incomplete. So I guess I hope you like this, and see you next time. This is gonna be the last video that I'm gonna make about Dragon Ball Online. So see you next time. Bye.